Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can redeem your Target gift card online. In order to redeem your Target gift card online, first thing first, check your internet connection and then open up an application. In my case, I'm gonna use the web browser. Either way, the procedure is gonna remain the same. So make sure that you're already logged into your Target account. Once logged in, it's gonna direct you to the home page. Now let's go ahead and redeem the gift card. So to redeem a gift card on Target, you'll only be able to do it while you're making a purchase. So for that, let's go ahead and select a particular product. So in order to add it to the cart, all you have to do is just go ahead and make some changes and click the add to cart button located right at the bottom. And once the product has been added to the cart, you can either continue shopping and add a list of items, or you can just go to view cart and tap the checkout button as well. Once you're directed to the summary page, this is how it's going to look like. Now in order to continue it, click the sign in to checkout button if you've not signed in yet. Now the product has been added to the cart. All you have to do is just tap the cart icon from the top right hand side corner and click on checkout, which is right at the bottom. Now in order to go through the review process, click the review button. Go ahead and select gift card. So in order to add a gift card, click the add button next to it and enter in the card number, access number, and click on add gift card button. As soon as you do that, if the information seems to be valid enough, then you'll get certain amount of discount on the following purchase. And similarly, if you're using American Express, Discover, Visa, or MasterCard gift card, you're not supposed to be adding the gift card or the card details on the gift card page. So you'll have to add it as a payment method simply on the next page. So that's basically how you can use or redeem your Target gift card online. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.